Mother Nature. Some call me nature, others call me Mother Nature. I've been here for over 4.5 billion years, 22,500 times longer than you. I don't really need people, but people need me. Yes, your future depends on me. When I thrive, you thrive. When I font, you font, or worse. But I've been here for eons. I have faced spies greater than you, and I have a staff beast greater than you. My ocean, my soil, my flowing streams, my forests, they all can test you or leave you. How do you choose to live each day? Whether you regard or disregard me doesn't really matter to me. One way or the other, your action will determine your fate, not mine. I'm nature. I will go on. I'm prepared to evolve. Are you?